Hi, in this video I will introduce to you the best product on the market for skin rejuvenation and tightening. In fact, it's the only product of its kind to be clinically proven, dermatologist recommended, and FDA approved as a medical device. It's called Perfectio Plus, the most powerful home use anti-wrinkle device. This limited edition device offers a combination of more powerful infrared LEDs that supply a deeper and more effective treatment to all skin layers. The Perfectio Plus comes with a lifetime warranty for online and in-store customers as well. It uses NASA-researched LED technology, red and infrared light to penetrate the skin more effectively than any cream that's available. The LED light promotes the production of new cells, collagen fibers, and elastin. By doing that, it rejuvenates your skin. The Perfectio Plus treats all layers of the skin, penetrating up to 3 millimeters under the skin, healing the epidermis, dermis, and all the way down to the hypodermis. It works from the surface to the core. The Perfectio Plus treatment probe has a metal head that will heat up to 40 to 42 Celsius or 104 to 107 Fahrenheit. When applied topically, the heat increases blood flow to that localized area. The increased blood flow provides proteins and oxygen for better healing of the skin. Red and infrared light treatment is completely safe and has no reported side effects. The red light is also known to reduce the level of melanin, a hormone in the skin that causes age spots and dark spots. For best results, use the Perfectio Plus 3 times a week for the first month, and after that, use as needed, since the results vary based on your age. Most people will find, though, that once or twice a month is sufficient. Here's how to use the Perfectio Plus. Make sure the Perfectio Plus is fully charged before use by checking the green light indicator. Once the device is on, it will heat up slowly, but there's no need to wait. Place the probe on your skin and the red light will automatically activate. The red light will turn on only with contact with the skin as a safety feature. Apply light pressure while slowly moving the Perfectio Plus in small motions. Treat each area of concern for 5 minutes: the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks and neck. After each session, we recommend applying a small amount of moisturizing cream to the treated area and massage it in gentle motions. Any cream you use after the treatment will be more effective. Clean the Perfectio Plus after every use with a dry cloth or paper towel. It is important not to allow any moisture to penetrate the seams of the unit. In other words, don't get it wet. Here's how to approach clients. When you see a potential client, identify what problems he or she may have. Make sure to point out the fine lines or other signs of skin problems. This will get their attention. If the client is older, the approach should be to talk about aging and reducing already existing signs of aging. If the client is younger, talk about prevention, and if he or she has acne, other breakouts, or scars, point that out. If you are selling skincare, recommend a product line for a complete treatment. If you have any questions about the Perfectio Plus or for more information, please refer to our website at zerogravityskin.com.